DSMLIVE pre-Memorial Day weekend, coffee talk.
Yep, coffee talk.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So Lindsey and I are going to be talking about Collagen Induction Facial.
Mm-hmm.
You do a lot of these. You get great results. So I think a lot of people just want to know, I guess, what it's all about, why it's good for them, and that kind of thing. So maybe just let's start off by talking about what a Collagen Induction Facial is with PRP, how you do it.
Yeah, it's a great procedure because we're using your own body's mechanisms to heal and basically create an environment where you're making collagen. After a certain age, we don't really do that anymore. So
that's sad.
Yeah, I know. So.
And things like the sun and aging and all of that contribute to collagen breakdown over time. That's why we get a little bit more like this. Instead, we were like this once upon a time.
Right. So yeah, the facial involves a blood draw beforehand, and we have something called a centrifuge, which spins the blood and separates it, so that the red blood cells are separated from the plasma, and the plasma is actually platelet rich. So this is
what does that mean? Platelet rich?
Well, it's super awesome serum that's it's strong and helps to heal the skin after you've now induced micro trauma with the needles that we use. But essentially what the platelet-rich plasma is that it's just a highly concentrated serum of your own platelets. And the platelets are a part of the blood that goes through your body to heal. Yeah, and we're just using that in the aesthetic environment, which has shown, a lot of results.
So what does that do for your collagen and elastin production in your skin?
It increases it. I mean, we're also using it as a serum to massage on the face as it's being induced with micro trauma.
So what's the micro trauma portion? That's the CIF, right? That's the collagen induction portion.
It's using a device that has several 33 gauge needles, and it goes to a certain depth of the skin to create what we call micro trauma or micro channels. And essentially you're causing your body to heal these micro traumas, and at the same time we're massaging in your own platelet rich serum, the plasma. So at that time, from both directions, we're healing your skin and making new skin cells. And people who get these treatments frequently, you can tell they're glowing.
Yeah.
Their skin is just younger and healthier looking.
More volume.
Yeah. The small lines that you can't target with injectables like Botox or fillers, this is really the number one treatment for that. Yeah. And it's great for what's going on out there right now in society where everybody wants to be all natural and organic. So we're not using any chemicals. We're using your own body and your own body's processes to heal those tiny little lines. It does help also with sun damage. So we've noticed that too on the surface. Yeah, sun damage.
Very nice. Basically everything you want. How many treatments do you think most people get?
I really like for my patients to sign up for 3. If they could do 3 within the course of 6 months would be nice. I think a lot of patients see results even just 2 weeks after their first treatment. Yeah. But it does. The treatment's results accumulate for sure over the course of a few treatments.
Yeah. All right. So that's pretty much all the time that we have today. Thank you, Lindsey, for taking the time and explaining it to us.
I'd love to have everybody doing this treatment. It's just so good for everyone.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I've done it a couple times.
Yep,
so
me too.
Yeah, absolutely. Yep. And that's why you look great.
Thanks, you too.
Thanks.
Annalise. Glowing over there.
Yeah, we like to compliment ourselves and each other, No one else will. Right. No, but seriously, I love the treatment myself. I've had it done several times. I know everybody here has. It's great because it is your own plasma. I totally agree with you. It's not a foreign object that you're putting into the body. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but some people do prefer to go the natural way, as you mentioned. So, I mean, it's a great treatment for summer.
for summer.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Get your skin ready and glowing for the summer.
Yeah.
And
no restrictions, right? You can go,
No.
you stay out of the sun for a couple days, and you should be wearing sunscreen every day anyways.
Right.
But, you know, there's no, you can't, it's not like you have to be out of the sun before and after the treatment like you do with laser
treatments. Exactly. Yeah, so you can get this done, and maybe you have a red tint to the skin for a day or so, but most people are able to get back to their regular schedule the next day.
Yeah.
We put you on a little skin regimen with some products that work great, and you're good to go. And as Diana said, we always recommend sunscreen, so that would be the number one post-care instruction for the summer.
Yep, especially for the summer. Exactly.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you for listening in. Everyone, enjoy your Memorial Day weekend and have a blast.
Awesome. See you soon, guys.